IET, International Environmental Technologies Incorporated, is an innovative company involved in the worldwide distribution of leading-edge technological equipment and strategies for the final disposal of municipal and industrial solid waste. IET fulfills a growing global need for commercially proven new approaches to solid waste disposal using methods and equipment which are low cost, efficient, effective, and environmentally responsible. IET's technological solutions to today's solid waste disposal problems eliminate many of the difficulties and expense commonly associated with conventional waste management options such as landfilling, mass burn incineration, and RDF, refuse-derived fuel production. We can no longer rely on these outdated, conventionally available methods of disposing of solid waste. New strategies and technologies must be implemented now to better address this problem for today and the future. Increases in population in any community result in corresponding increases in the production of greater volumes of solid waste, which must be disposed of. Development of international markets for packaged goods and foods have also dramatically added to the global solid waste problem in the past 10 years. For decades, the international final waste disposal method has been the landfill. Millions of tons per year buried in virtually permanent storage underground around the globe, creating numerous long-term environmental problems. Windblown trash, groundwater contamination, methane and other toxic gas emissions, subterranean fires, permanent loss of land use. IET has a more sensible and affordable solution to this solid waste disposal problem. IET's thermal oxidation process. Waste gasification through thermal oxidation. The process is very simple. Delivery trucks offload waste material directly into the system's primary waste gasification cell. No pre-sorting or pre-processing of the waste is required, other than the removal of white goods, refrigerators and other household appliances, and automobile bodies and engine parts. The system will accept all types of municipal solid waste, plastics, medical waste, automobile and truck tires, oily waste, brush and lawn waste, furniture, and so on. High amounts of moisture in the waste load does not affect the operation of the system. When that cell is filled, its load access door is closed and the system is activated. A diesel, natural gas, propane, or other fuel-fed igniter burner is used to raise the interior temperature of the cell to approximately 800 degrees Fahrenheit. At this temperature, in an oxygen-starved environment, the combustible materials in the load convert from solids and liquids to a smoke and dust-free gas. The gas is vented into a secondary gas processor. It is mixed with room air, and this gas mixture is ignited by a set of pilot burners. The result is a stream of hot air, predominantly composed of carbon dioxide and water vapor. This hot airflow can be easily reclaimed to produce hot water and steam at virtually no additional cost of operation. In systems processing over 200 tons of municipal solid waste per day, the addition of conventional steam turbine electrical power generating equipment is cost-effective and efficient. The IET solution. The thermal oxidation process provides a number of significant advantages over other waste disposal strategies. A solution which provides complete disposal of over 90% of the incoming municipal and industrial solid waste stream. A solution which eliminates the need to pre-sort or pre-process any of the incoming waste, and which is not affected by high moisture waste. A solution which provides a total installed facility at considerably less expense than other conventional waste treatment and disposal methods of similar size. IET's waste gasification technology, thermal oxidation process, has a long proven record of exceptionally clean air emissions, which are several orders of magnitude cleaner than the most restrictive United States Environmental Protection Agency standards for municipal solid waste incinerators. The IET waste gasification process requires an operating staff of less than half of a conventional waste incinerator with the same daily volume capacity. Operators do not need advanced education, engineering degrees, or other specialized training beyond that which IET provides. Aluminum, steel, and other metals and glass are 100% recoverable from the fine inert ash remaining at the end of the process. IET waste gasification is a cold process which virtually eliminates the safety problems associated with conventional mass burn waste incinerators. The thermal oxidation process can be used for waste streams ranging from a few hundred pounds per day to the thousands of tons per day volume. This process can be employed for waste disposal only, production of hot water, production of 60, 90, or 120-pound steam, electrical power generation. The thermal oxidation process requires only a fraction of the supplemental fuel, electrical power, manpower, and ongoing maintenance and support expense as conventional mass burn incinerators. In many cases, the thermal oxidation process can be less expensive per ton than landfilling. Better answers to the problems of municipal waste disposal through superior technology and planning, offered by IET, International Environmental Technologies.